Hey guys, welcome to ACCESSORYS Plane. This thing is unbelievable. For $4.99, Wi-Fi, you can put waypoints on your phone. Take off. I mean, look at the video. You know, we're not doing the typical, I mean, it's not phenomenal video, but the things this thing can do for what it is, for the money. I mean, your kid will love you for this. My kids love it. They played with it last night. My 14-year-old daughter and my 8-year-old son, they both loved it. I mean, you can't go wrong. I included a link if you guys want to buy one. I mean, this thing is it's phenomenal. I should say, you know, it's phenomenal for $4.99. I mean, you'd be the best uncle in the world who gave this to your nephew or your niece. I mean, and it's great for someone that's never flown a drone before, instead of spending a ton of money, you know, and then to find out you don't like it. So it hovers in one spot pretty good. It's pretty simple. You know, there's all sorts of stuff on you can add to the screen. I mean, this thing is great. I love it. I can't believe it. But go ahead and subscribe, guys. Like I said, there's a link if you want to buy it. I think it's $19 or $19.99 in shipping. They get you in the shipping. But $4.99, so for under $25, you know, you got a pretty cool drone. So, awesome. I love it. I can't wait to do some more with it outside. Right now we got pretty nasty weather up here in the Northeast, so. All right, guys, until next time, make sure you subscribe.